Hey, it's Andrea from Doing Business as Yourself, and I just wanted to do a quick video about how, sort of going back to basics. I was just talking to somebody on private message in my one of my new Facebook account, and she's doing work around credit repair, and would like to talk to lots of people about who are interested in credit repair, and so one of the things that I noticed was that she could be sharing entertainment around credit repair that would make it more easy to interact with her on her timeline. So um, she didn't know how to find that sort of thing, and so I realized that I use Google a lot, and probably in ways that other people don't necessarily automatically use it. So I wanted to show you how I came across how to find stuff like this. So we're just going to use her topic, credit repair, and you can see. So I have a couple tools installed on my. This is Chrome, on my Google Chrome, and it shows me how many searches per month for different keywords are searched. So obviously there's a market for credit repair. 74,000 people a month on Google search for credit repair. You can do the same thing on YouTube if you're going to look for topics to make content about on YouTube. But right now, all we're looking for is something simple and fast that she can share every day, one little next piece of entertainment, and become kind of like the central location for the people on her friends list for entertainment around credit repair. Because people, it's of course it's things that we need to pay attention to, but it's kind of like a vegetable. You don't want to you don't necessarily want to eat your vegetables, but if it can make it funny or you can make it relatable, then people will respond. So anyway, we started with credit repair. But here's the thing: if you search just the phrase, you come up with nothing interesting. So, or search the phrase, and the first thing that I'm going to do is click over to images, because what I want is something people um, on Facebook and social media really, and actually I think the Facebook algorithm serves up better images than uh, just text, although the story matters too. So attaching a story to the picture that you picked could be really beneficial, because it puts you in the mix, and it's not just the picture floating around. So anyway, um, so I put credit repair, and this is just boring. None of this is interesting. It's just boring, boring, boring. However, if you just simply add the word memes to it, you're in. You've got all kinds of. I mean, some of them are crass, and you just don't want to be sharing them. Some of them are also, again, still kind of boring, but there are some that are hilarious. Um, and you want to read through them, each of them, and then what you do is you click on um, let's click on one that's not, some of them are just wrong, but um, let's say let's say this one. Okay, let's say you're going to pick this one, and so what I do is I right click on the image, and I open the image in a new tab, and then you simply go to the next tab. So I clicked over to the tab it came in, and you right click on that image, and you copy image, and you literally can paste it straight into Facebook. I'm not going to post this on my wall because I don't have a credit repair thing going on, but if it's on topic for you, whatever the thing is, just paste it, and I control V to do that. Or you can right click and paste, and see it's going to paste another one. So literally you can go and make Google your friend and quickly do this every morning or twice a day even, and become like a consistent. People will expect it from you, and that conversation will be easier to, on whatever the topic is. It doesn't have to be this topic, but it becomes you become like a resource, like a hub for that conversation. And like so like for here, just waiting for credit repair. Like I don't know if that's a good one, but you would want to take one that you can say, you know, hey, I could help with this, but isn't this funny? That kind of thing. So edutainment is like the goal for social media if you're going to try and sell something to people. And it just didn't occur to me that that not everybody would know about Google Images and how to move the picture easily and how to find the content that you can curate basically in 5 minutes every morning, and you become like it shapes the conversation on your page. Okay, okay. I hope that helps, and you have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.